Today is Friday, and it is Make Money Online questions and answers. Hi, I'm Peter Raymond. I apologize for my English, but guess what? You asked how to make your web page, and here it is.
Okay, let's go to enview.com. Enter enview site. And here we are. Enview pronounced enview. Okay, that's good. Let's take a look. And here you see, what you see is what you get editing. It is easy to use because it is very similar to Word when you create Word documents. Okay, so download, and let's see here. And let me scroll down. Okay, here it is. I'm going to use this one because I use Windows. So here you can run or save it. I'm going to run it. Run. Next. Yes, I have set the agreement. I'm going to install it here. Create a desktop icon if you want. Okay, next. Install. And okay, here we go. Here it is. Okay, first thing, table. I like to use tables. You see, row and columns, one by one. In this case, I'm going to use right click and select table. I'm going to use 750 pixels. My table. Border, you see, 5, just to spacing and padding. You see how it changed. The border is now 5 pixels. I'm going to use 0. And okay, here I'm going to center the table, you see, and here spacing pixels between cells, but now I don't need that. So, and apply, and padding pixels between cell border and content. Okay, now I'm going to change the background of my table. Apply, and you see. Let's try again. Okay, this color, and you see how it changed behind this table. Okay, so I'm going to use white. Apply. Okay. Yes. Captions. No. Okay, that's okay. And here we are. This is our table. And now you can add more rows here, you see, and you remove them clicking on the X. Text, I'm going to, let's say, write my headline: how to train your dog. Let me see. The easiest way to train your dog. It is better. Right click and cells. I'm going to center the text. You see, now it is centered. Now I'm going to change the size, bigger and bigger, smaller, bold. Okay, here I'm going to change the font. I'm gonna use let me see, the Homa. Okay, I can change the color of my text bigger, no, smaller, okay, and now, okay, quotation marks. I'm gonna change the color again, okay, red, and here if you want you can use a sub-headline, the best results guaranteed. Okay, I highlight and I'm going to make it smaller, a little bigger. Okay, now I'm going to change the color black, and here it is. Okay, now I'm going to add a picture, but I want it here, so I align it here, I click image, I browse my image, my computer, and in this case I'm going to add my own picture. Okay, here it is. I'm going to resize it, but I don't suggest you do this. It's better if you use a resized a program, you know, to resize. Preview your images, and here we are. Now I'm going to write my content here. 15 years of experience training dogs, and blah 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 blah. Continue adding and adding and adding, you see. And here now, center my new text. I'm going to put a link here. Click here to get it. Okay, I highlight it, and link, and here I type the URL where I want to send people. Okay, your site, whatever it is here, and account, if you / whatever, it depends on where you want to send people. Okay, and now you have your link here working. Okay, so let me see what else. And here, for example, the preview, and you see that it doesn't matter. Source, the HTML tags, and that's okay. Now you can browse to see how it looks like, or save it. Okay, save as. But if this is your home page, your root domain, let's say you bought the domain name .com, then don't save it as .com. You have to name it index HTML if it is your home page. Okay, that's important. So go to enview.com, get it and install it, play around with this tool, create your web page and upload it to your hosting account. I will show you how to do that in future videos. And that's all for today. I hope you learned how to use this, and thanks for watching, and see you very, very soon.